Today's video is all about making a wood sign without a stencil and no machines required. So if you want a simple way to make a wood sign for your home, stick around. I've got the full tutorial coming right up. Hey there, I'm Sarah. You are watching Creative Ramblings, where I share simple, inspiring projects. You're gonna find craft tutorials right here that show you how accessible and fun crafting can be. If that sounds like something you wanna see, consider subscribing so you don't miss my next video. I'm here every week with something brand new. All right, today is another installment in our wood sign series. Check out this whole playlist right here that's gonna walk you through from the beginning, how to build a palette sign, a whole bunch of different ways to make your own stencils, and then the best methods for painting a sign. Today, I am gonna show you how to make a wood sign without a stencil and without a cutting machine. This is something that's really easy, really accessible, that you're gonna be able to do right away. You're gonna start with a wood blank. I chose this one that has a frame around the edges. I'm gonna paint the inside with a white chalk paint to give it a really nice base for what we're gonna put on top of it. I'm gonna add a light gray color around the outside to create a frame, and this is gonna be the base for our wood sign. Once everything is dry, we're gonna start designing our wood sign. And to do that, I'm gonna head over to the computer and jump on Canva. I'm gonna create a custom size, an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper here, something that I can easily print. I'm gonna use the text tool to type the words that I want. This sign is gonna say Home Sweet Home with some leaves in the background. So Canva gives us the option to choose from a lot of different fonts. And so I'm gonna use kind of a blocky font for the home and a script font for sweet. I'm gonna center those and, space them out how I want them right here in Canva. If you wanna start designing graphics or make a sign like this, definitely check out Canva. There is a link down in the description of this video. There are a lot of free elements and their pro version is really affordable and a lot of fun to use. So Home Sweet Home is the words that I want to put on. Now I want some leaves in the background. So I'm going to create a new page and just grab these kind of black and white sketched images of leaves. I'm going to size them up a little bit. And then I'm going to download my files. So up here, I'm going to click on download. I'm going to download them as a PDF. It doesn't need to be very high quality at all because I'm just using this as a template. Download that, save it to my computer, and then I'm gonna open it up and print it. Again, that quality doesn't matter too much, just as long as you can see the lines. Now that we've got our graphics printed, let's pull out our other supplies. You're gonna need that wood frame that's all painted. Grab the two pieces that you just printed. You're also going to need a scissors, some washi tape, and the key product here, carbon paper. There is a link down in the description. You can pick up a pack of this. It's pretty inexpensive. It comes with a whole bunch of sheets in it. So I'm going to pull one out, and you'll notice that there's tissue paper on one side and then the black carbon on the back side. What this allows us to do is transfer a design from the paper we just printed to our wood sign. The tool you're gonna need for that is just a pencil. I also like using this scoring tool from Cricut, but again, a pencil is gonna work just fine. So I'm going to lay out my design here. I'm gonna start with the Home Sweet Home. I'm gonna trim it down and figure out exactly where I want it. Now take the carbon paper and put the black side down on the wood sign and use a little washi tape to hold it in place. We don't want this moving around on us. Then take that Home Sweet Home, put it right on top, use a little more washi tape to attach that to the carbon paper. Now, using either the pencil or the scoring tool, you're just going to trace over every line that you see. Now, you don't have to trace too hard. Think about signing a form. You might sign it and you get a duplicate of it. That's all we're doing here, so you don't have to push that hard. Just trace over the edge of every letter and every word. Now we're gonna reuse this carbon paper. So once it's done, pull off the Home Sweet Home, be gentle with that carbon paper. And this is what you get. It looks just like a pencil drawing on your wood sign in a beautiful font that can be hard to do by hand. Now we're gonna use that same process and add some of these leaves kind of all around. And you can reuse this paper. So cut out the leaves and just place them again on top of that carbon paper, trace over them until you're really happy with the design of your sign. So now it's time to add some paint. The easiest way to paint this is with a paint pen. These come in a 3-pack with a chisel tip, a medium, and a fine tip. Shake it up really good and just paint over all those lines you just drew. I like using this thick chisel tip for the block letters and the medium tip for the script and the leaves. Sometimes that carbon paper can leave a few smudges on your sign. If you have any of that, just grab a little bit of chalk paint and paint over it. Your sign is done. I am hanging this cute little piece right up on my mantle, and it really fits in with kind of the neutral decor I have this season. Creating a wood sign is a really fun craft to start with. It is a way to express yourself, maybe add a custom text or image that you just can't find in a home store. This method using carbon paper and a paint pen is really accessible. Head down in the description of this video, you can find a link to some carbon paper. You get a whole pack of it for just a few dollars, and you can use it over and over again to make your own home decor. So let me know, did you like this video? If you did, give me a thumbs up, and I hope you'll consider subscribing. I'm here every week with brand new craft tutorials to help you create at home. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.